Now let us look to the second ayah, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman is consist of two words, Ar and Rahman. Ar means something which has extremity, like it is beyond expectation, so huge. And Rahman means love, care, concern, mercy. When it is love, it is beyond expectation. When it is concern, beyond expectation. When it is mercy, beyond expectation. But in the last, it has an. You know the word a and then n, an. When we say Rahman, Ghadban, like someone who has extreme anger, Ghadban. The word an is used when we need to show that it is temporary, right? When we are angry, we are Ghadban for a little time. It is not that we are angry for all day long. That's the case, right? So Allah is Rahman only for a fewer time. There is something which can take away His Rahmah. What is that thing? It may be our amal or something bad that we did. Correct? So Allah is Rahman for this world only. It is because it is used near the word Alameen. Just look at the word structure. Okay, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman. Allah is Rahman in this world. Doesn't matter how much bad we do. He still provides us. He still cares for us. He still gives us gift. He doesn't take away our lives. Isn't it? But is it for all the time? No. There will be some day when He will be Rahim. Let's see Rahim now. So now let us look to the second word of this ayah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Nir-Rahim. So it is consist of two words. Ar and then Rahim. Ar again means extremity. Extremity beyond your imagination. And Rahim is a word that is permanent. Once it is done, it is done. The word Rahim is used with the word Yawmul Qiyamah. Look at the next word. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. So word Rahim is used with the word Yawmul Qiyamah. That is the judgment day when we all will be revived by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So there will be something that will be permanent. Jahannam, permanent. Jannah, permanent. The word Rahim shows permanency. Correct? So we should be beware. So the Quran shows us balance between the power. First Allah used Ar-Rahman, which is temporary. And then Allah used Ar-Rahim, which is permanent. Shows the balance in the literary structure. Correct? So Ar-Rahim is used with Yawmul Qiyamah.